did 9 months of therapy, and then the first week that she was back on the mats, she did it again.
Get back! Tie it up, Noah. Harder, Noah, harder! Yeah, I know he did not go over. Okay, Huskies. He's a monster being a squirt and he weighs about 80. How we do it? Oh, nice.
Did they catch that?
It's all about positioning.
Go Huskies!
Find it.
Up, up, up! With power, with power!
Stick with it, stick with it. Get it, room!
Go, go, go!
Go, go!
Get up!
Get it, Maddie.
There you go. Go, Jake!
Fire!
Oh! Right idea.
Come on, help him forward. Help him. Get in there. Help him. Come on. You gotta help him. There's two guys on. Behind you, Noah. Behind you, Noah. Nice play.
Offsides. What? Noah. Why are they bringing it all the way down here? Is it offsides? No idea.
Go Huskies!
Oh.
Cover, cover.
I don't know. End of the day, the refs are tired.
Huh?
End of the day, the refs are tired.
Yeah. Come on, get it out of there.
Oh.
Not in the middle.
Come on, guys.
chewing out?
Let's go, Huskies! Good job. Go, Noah. Go, Noah. Go, skate. Skate. Go to the net. Get back. Go, get back. Go, Noah. Get him. Get him.
Where are our defensive players?
Get on the boards. Don't stop it. Look up. One more. Hard, 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 hard. Go now, chip it. Back, Noah. Go. Dominic. Gotta get it in deep, boys. Get it low. Cover.
Get it out!
Move. Skate, Noah. Skate. Come on. Go, Noah, go. Skate. Change.
Oh. Nice, Ben. Nice. Go, Noah.
Nice. Fire.
Against who?
Against them.
91.
Nice.
Hooking or slashing or something.
I know, I was so sorry for the first one in the book, but they just come over and make a symbol and say something. Was it a minute? Is that what it is? We had the... We
2 or 10. Yeah. 2, 5 or 10.
From 130.
Yeah, but that's
All right, Huskies.
I think they changed the rules.
Also, it's like the periods were different depending on where they were and all.
Come on, Ian!
Ah. Bad timing.
Huskies!
Stay up top, 66. Stay high.
Up, Noah!
Get it deep.
Reach!
Go.
Good, Noah.
Prepare to go. Cross it.
Center, Noah, bottom!
You know what Nathan's team does is great. Their defense is good. They would cross that all the time.
Get out
You
there!
gotta get better, more confidence on passing.
Yeah. Unknowing that's an option.
They work on it in practice. What? I don't know. Wendy. Run over there. Tell a coach. Did a lace break? I tied him tight.
He's getting off.
Oh, bravo!
That's offside. That's offside.
Way to go, Huskies! Stay on it, boys!
Wendy, you can't go over there?
Can't go that way. I can't get over there.
What about that way?
Huh?
What about that way?
Lift, lift, lift!
Like,
What do you?
doesn't understand.
Get his way!
I don't know.
Go get it! Go get it, Noah! Noah, cover somebody!
You want here?
Okay.
He'd say something if there was something wrong with it, wouldn't he?
I don't know about him. You have to go down there.
Get it back, get it back! Let's do it, that's fine.
It's alright. It's alright. It looked like he was going over.
Help, 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 help!
Go, go, go. Go, Jake.
Steve!
You gotta shoot a little earlier. They lose in the angle.
Nice, Steve.
Come on, pick up the speed.
And he's on the ice. Let's see.
Wendy, I'm wondering if a lace broke.